Hello class. Now today's video we have studied class 10th maths chapter 3 pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now this is exercise 3.2 question number 5. In previous videos we have done introduction part 1, introduction part 2, chart of a pair of linear equation where we have observed algebraical and geometrical form. Okay. Now then after that we have done exercise 3.1 and where we have question number 1, 2 and 3. Now this is exercise 3.2 and please go through each videos where you have uh, from where you have to understand how you will solve pair of linear equation into two variable. Okay, so now come to the question number 5. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of a garden. Okay. So now the solution we will do here. So now the question is a rectangular garden. A garden is in the shape of rectangle. Okay. This is a rectangular garden. Rectangular garden rectangular garden, okay, whose length is 4 meter more than. So let the length let the length of garden let the length of garden be x, and the length of sorry width width of garden width of garden be y. Okay, let length of the garden is x and width of the garden be y. Okay, now perimeter of a garden. So first is perimeter of a garden whose length is 4 meter more than. Now the length is x and this is y. Okay, so the second line is whose length is 4 meter more than the width. So length is 4 more than the width. This is okay. So length is x and here is plus y. It means x minus y is equal to 4 is the equation. Okay, is the equation. Okay, now here the second one, the second is second what we have the second line. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular, half of perimeter half of perimeter is equal to 36. Okay, half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. Find the dimension. It means find the length and breadth. Okay, so this to half of the perimeter is 36, so half goes to the. Okay, so 1 by 2 perimeter of the rectangular garden is 2l plus b is equal to 36. Cancel out. Okay, so now let L is x and B is y is equal to 36. This is equation number 2. Now solving these equation you will get um, x and y. Now here you will do with the help of pair of linear equation into two variable graphical form. Okay, graphical form, but here is not mentioned which method you will use. So it is helpful to do any method. Okay, so let here. So here is x minus y is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. So a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, and c1 is equal to minus 4. Now x plus y minus 36 is equal to 0. So a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 1, and c2 is equal to minus 36. Okay, okay, now let do it. So a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 1. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 1 upon 1. and C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 4 upon 36. Cancel out 1 upon 9, since A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, hence pair of lines intersect at a point that is unique solution, okay. Okay, so now let us do it here, the graph of the let us do the graph of the equation. So now start from the first one. So it is x minus y is equal to 4. It means y goes to this side, so x minus 4. Okay, x minus 4. So what we get, the solution of this one is, the solutions are x and y. When we put the value of x here, so x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. When you put here 0, what we get, that is minus 4. Okay, when we put here 5, what we will do it is hmm, x minus x plus y is equal to 36 and x minus y is equal to 4. So here is, so when we put here 20, so what we get, 16. What we get, 16. Okay, so let's do the next thing. So it is too high, so I will write here the three things. So I will take here 5 5 gap. It's make it so easy, because the second is 36. If we are writing 4, it's so bigger, so 36 minus 4 is 32. So from here I will take this. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 20 minus 4 is 16. Okay, so 20, I'll take the 4. Okay, okay, 4. So this is 0. If we are talking about 0, so what is we get, that is minus 4. The first one is next. So x plus y is equal to 36. So what we have right here, y is equal to 36 minus x. 36 minus x. Now you are finding three solutions, x and y. So x is equal to uh, 16. So what we get when we put here 20, so this becomes 0, 16. So again what we have put here, so table of 4, 4 4 ja, so now what we have putting here, 16. So what we get, 20. Now little bit, uh, 20 we have put it at 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So when we put here 12, so what we get, so 12 we will put 12. What we have, this is 24. So 12, 16, 20, 24. So when we put here 24, we get 12. Okay, so now here we draw it, a graph of a linear equation. Now here you can see that na, ki here the 2016 and 2016, the solution is 20 and 16, but we need to solve it. So 0, this is 4, 20. Okay, 24, 28, 32. Okay, and 36. So x dash, y and y dash. Okay, so now here 4, 8, 16, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Okay, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16. Okay, so now here minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16, minus 20. Okay, let's do it. So 4 and 0. So 4 and 0 is here. 4 and 0. Okay, next 0 and minus 4. 0 and minus 4 is here. So this is 0 and minus 4. Next is 20 and 16. So 20 is here and 16 is here. 20 is here and 16 is here. So what we have, do it. Okay, next 20 and 16 is here. 20 and 16 is here. 16 and 20. So here is a 16 and here is a 20. Here is 20. So here is 16 and 20. Okay, 16 and 20. Next 24 and 12. So here is a 24 and here is a 12. 24 and 12. So it is so. Okay, so where they intersect at a 20 and 20 and 16. So here you will write here pair of lines, pair of lines, pair of lines intersect at 20 and 16. So length is equal to, that is x is equal to 20 meter and width is equal to, width is equal to 16 meter. Okay, so I hope so you have no problem with it. You will go through the each step. Okay, and please pause this video, and any query comment in a comment, and please it make me so motivated if you like subscribe my videos. Thank you.